Hi, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to my channel MomDas Life Handmade, and I am excited to announce that I am starting my spring DIYs with this episode or this video. So I have made a new playlist called Spring DIYs which contains all my spring DIY videos from last year and this year. I'll put a link to that playlist in my description box below, and all my DIY videos are in DIY and Decor playlist. Again, the link is in my description box and all the videos are in my channel for you to watch. The spring is in the air and it's time to do some spring DIYs to decorate your home and use in your home. I love to pick up ordinary items and turn them into something beautiful and useful for my home. I love doing a lot of DIY, decor, home, recipes, sound, travel, everything in budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's video is part of the challenge called Spring DIY Challenge being hosted by Heidi Sonboul. I'll put a link to Heidi Sonboul's channel and the playlist that she is creating in my description box below. Do visit her channel. She loves to do a lot of DIY challenges in decor and you will like her channel. Today I'm creating 3 simple, easy and beautiful DIYs. I love bringing in nature and I love items that are lying about in my home to use in seasonal decor. I don't like spending too much for decor which is not going to stay more than a day or maybe few days or maybe just a season. So you can freely go ahead and buy things from craft shops, pretty papers, fancy ribbons, hem or raffia or egg ornaments, but I will show you how I can make everything that today's video is about using items that are there in everybody's home. So I'm going to use simple ordinary paper, some colors, some jute that was lying in my home and eggshells. These are natural eggshells. I've eaten the egg, washed, cleaned and dried the eggshells, and I'm using this natural eggshells in my decor. There's not much to say, not much to describe in this video. These are very simple DIYs and they turn out very pretty, very pleasing to eyes and beautiful. And I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video without talking much. Do let me know at the end of the video in the comment section below how you liked my DIYs. And if you love the content of my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you very soon with my next DIY. Enjoy the video.